We're over here at D.I.Y. Auto School today, and we're going to do a review on a dash cam. Now, this particular dash cam is actually mounted on your rearview mirror, and I found this item online at Amazon.com, and it seems to be a very high quality item. I just got it in the mail. Let's go ahead and unpack it and see what we got, and then I'm going to take you through the steps of hooking this camera up and hopefully explain to you that this item is an item that might possibly be something that you, the viewer, may want to purchase.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
So here's our package right here. We got it in from Amazon. Let's go ahead and open that up and see what we got inside. And what we have inside here is an item. It's an all-in-one unit made by AUTO-VOX. That's Auto-Vox. It's a dash cam and backup camera kit. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what kind of unit that we've purchased to put on our late model minivan that we will be driving as a vehicle to use around the shop and also as a pickup delivery vehicle at SWRC Southwest Rod and Custom. So I like the way that it's packaged. It comes in a very nice professional box. It's not a brown box. It's not a white box. It's a nice quality box that makes it look like it's a professional build job going on here. It's wrapped very tightly with cellophane, if we can get that off. Alright. Once we remove the cellophane, we'll go ahead and cut the factory seal on it, just like this. We'll go ahead and open our item up, and you can see that it's very, very high quality the way that it's packed. Go ahead and remove the foam cover that's on it. Very, very nice. The quality of the lens on the rear view mirror seems to be in very, very good, high quality material. We're going to go ahead and remove that. And I want to get a close-up of the mirror itself. If you look at it, you can see that it has specific directions wrote on it. Very, very easy to read and follow directions of how to use this item. If we look at the top of the mirror itself, you can see that it has all the necessary plug-ins, USB ports, and everything necessary to make the item work. And then, of course, on the front of the mirror, there is our dash cam built into the mirror itself. We're going to roll it around and take another look at it. You can see that it's a very slimline action. This particular mirror is made to clip on. Here's the clips right here, okay, that clip on to your existing mirror so you don't have to remove anything out of the vehicle, and you can use this as your rearview mirror, totally 100% complete. One particular thing I want to show you that's different from this camera versus others is you can see that the camera itself is on a swivel base, and it actually moves to the liking of your gesture of how you want to set your camera. That's pretty unique right there. I like that. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box with the purchase of our product. We actually have a 12-volt adapter that plugs into a lighter socket, and you can see that this is the power unit for our mirror. Let's go ahead and open that up and look at it. There's our USB port right there that plugs right in, and there is the outlet plug that you would plug into a 12-volt outlet into your vehicle. Very easy, very compact, and very usable if you want a rear view mirror camera, what should I say, a front camera built into your rear view mirror. This is a plug and play situation, as you can see. And I believe on this particular unit, you have to supply your own SD card. Here's an SD slot right here that I'm pointing at. So I don't believe that comes with the kit. We're going to go ahead and venture further into the box and see what it has. So far so good. It's looking like it's an easy setup. Let's go ahead and open this up. This right here, I'm sure, is for our rear view camera. You can see that it comes with more than enough wire. We got our video plug right here, our male plug. Then, of course, we got the female plug that will probably hook up to the camera itself with more than enough wire. We got a possible hot wire and a ground wire that you have to install into the vehicle. And then with the kit comes our backup camera. Now this is an option camera that you don't have to hook up. If you just want the front camera, you can go ahead and use that. I showed you how that would hook up. But if you want the backup camera, this kit comes with it. That's one of the reasons I purchased this kit, because it came with both cameras, and a lot of them companies don't supply both cameras. But you can see that this, using this wire harness, is also a plug and play situation. Now I'm sure that when we get into it and start hooking all this up, there's going to be a little bit more to it than just this right here. I mean, I'm just speculating, I'm not for sure, but it looks like the kit is complete. Do we have to go ahead, let me ask you a question on this. Do we have to hook this up to a reverse source, that when we put our car in reverse, that it would show that we were in reverse? We don't know yet. We will get to that here when we go outside and start hooking this thing up. And we also have the little adapters that will help secure our mirror onto the vehicle's factory mirror for use. Now that we've unboxed the item and we've looked at everything and we saw that it's basically a plug and play situation, I wanted to show you this right here. This is the little booklet that comes with it. It's the AUTO-VOX M6, all right, rear view mirror set with front camera and reverse camera. And I'm sure this is our directions on how to put it in and also use it. And it shows in detail, you can see this. It's a very highly detailed book that shows you basically everything you need to know of how to hook it up, how to use it, step-by-step situation. So that's a very good item as well. I've seen a lot of these cameras that you purchase online and you buy them through Amazon or whatever, some website, and you have to download the information off the internet on how to use it and hook it up. So this is actually a complete kit. I'm really excited to try this out. This is our backup camera. I think that's going to be awesome. And here's our mirror right here. It's a self-contained unit once again. And this is pretty cool right here. I like this item. I've never seen one of these that had this, and that's what really caught my attention to buy this camera on Amazon. How much was this item? How much can we tell everybody out there in the world that we paid for this item? I paid $110 for this item. This was $110. Did we get free shipping on this? Yes, we did. We got free shipping for this item. 110 bucks. It's going to give you a lifetime of Action Jackson situations. I mean, front view cameras, that's a hot item these days. And what's better than to have one built in to your rear view mirror as you're driving down the road? I'm still really excited to try this out. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go outside. We're going to try this out. We're going to hook it up. I'm going to show you how easy and simple this is. And I mean, you can basically see just by what I've showed you already, this is a plug and play deal. But my friend Pete's going to take it one step further in part 2 of this little video series, and we're going to plug it in and try it out. And hopefully this review is going to turn out to be an A+ and not a Z-, if you know what I mean, XYZ. Let's get out to the van, let's hook it up, and see what we got in part 2 of this series on the review of the AUTO-VOX dash cam and backup camera kit. All in one little unit, perfect little item, and I'm really excited to check it out and see what we got. We'll see you over in part 2 when we go outside to hook it up. I would like to tell you to go ahead and look in the description below this video for all the information. If you're interested in ordering one of these, click that description. It'll take you straight to the Amazon store where these are sold. $110, free shipping, and you can't beat the price on that. Go over to Best Buy, go over to Corporation USA store, see how much one of these things costs. It's a lot more than $110, I can tell you that. Let's get outside. Let's get this van going, and let's try out. I forgot, I got to go to the store and get me a SD card for this thing. You know what? I might even have an SD card. Let me show you what kind that it takes. I don't have the card with me. This does not take a standard size SD card. This is your standard size. You have to have a mini SD card. That's a mini SD card slot. So we'll check that out and we will see what's going on. I actually see some buttons here. If you mess up and you accidentally do something incorrect, there's actually a reset button here that sets it back to factory settings. So that's pretty awesome too. Really like that camera. I like the way that camera moves around. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's get outside, and it's got a speaker right here. I wonder if it talks to you. Huh. Wow. That's pretty cool. Here's our on button. Looky there. It just came on. I'm actually looking at myself. Can you see myself? Hey, how you doing there? It's actually working right now as we're looking at it. So the camera actually does work, but if you want to record what you're watching, you'll have to put an SD slot in here. We'll see you later. We're going outside to hook this thing up, and hopefully it's going to be awesome. Hopefully. Did you see me there? Did you? Can you see me in two cameras? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Move the camera over there. Now you can't see me. I'm going to move it over here. Now you can't see me. You can see me. Okay. All right. Let's get outside and hook this baby up. AUTO-VOX. Click the link below. Check it out. And hopefully you're going to like it. Like my friend Pete thinks he's going to like it. I'm going to turn it off. Did it turn off? No. How do you turn it off? There it goes. Okay. Bam.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.